Offering a unique experience, Toke and Tour takes you on a journey to discover the best local eats, hidden bars with cold beers, positive vibes, and visit to the local kush farmers. Believe me, it's more than just a tour. Riding with Toke and Tour means contributing to local communities by spreading love and making a positive impact on the lives of Jamaican families. They are based in the Negril area, so the prices on their website is based on that area, but they do pickups in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Falmouth, Runaway Bay, Hanover, and Kingston. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're diving into the heart of Jamaica with this Rasta Safari ATV Tour. It's known for being the #1 tour in Jamaica on TripAdvisor. With a plethora of positive reviews online, I couldn't resist exploring this highly acclaimed experience for myself. One night, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and we'll feel alright. So,
never forget. Check it out. Check it out. I love it. Jamaican special, my ladies. Overproof rum with the energy drink.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me.
Girl,
don't need without you.
Alright, so welcome to Rasta Safari. Here, you are in the community of Roaring River, Westmoreland. Rasta Safari experience started about 5 years ago now, and is a community-based experience, right? So coming to this beautiful village surrounded by mountains and rivers, the whole purpose of the trip is to immerse yourself into the local life of every Jamaican living in the countryside, right? So really and truly, we can make all it an ATV tour, but it's just really and truly to move around the beautiful community, meet the locals, discover a ganja farm, swim in the mineral spring, learn about the culture and all these things, right? So whenever you're ready to come to Jamaica and really want to see what the real Jamaica looks like, come to Rasta Safari experience and you're gonna have an unforgettable experience, right? Yeah, man.
Right, that's how they know. And give thanks, welcome. We're coming from Kingston. I welcome you this morning at the Rasta Safari experience. And I'm gonna tell you how I get to start this Rasta Safari experience business as a tour and as an experience in Jamaica. You know, I'm up in Negril and I meet this virgin named Claudia. He's from Canada. And, you know, we were talking and, you know, I give him a little present. And then after I give him the present it was not about any money or anything. And he recognized that I was a cool person. So he said we could start a business. And when he sent me back some bikes on my phone and said, this is the business I'm going to start for you. And that's how we get started. And this is where we reached. We are the #1 in the Caribbean and in Jamaica. Rasta Safari experience. But one day, Rasta Safari experience. Not a tour, it's an experience. So when you come, we don't play a race. It's experience. Rasta Safari experience. One love. No better place.
Thank you. That's it.
Rasta Safari, powerful.
That's it. Any words before you move up? Speed up. Speed up. I'm excited for this adventure.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder if the only peace we'll find gonna be when you tell me, oh, don't think you care about me. Oh, girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh, girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody.
Just now, that part of the tour was so informative. I learned so much about and how you actually grew it. I didn't know it was that technical. I thought you just put the thing in the ground and it grew, but no, there's a whole science to it. So that was very informative. We'll go Treasure Beach. We'll go Treasure Beach tomorrow apparently. We're having lunch and it's all vegan, and if you watched my first video you would have known what this is. Vegetarian.
So here at Rasta Safari Experience Europe community tourism product, we feed approximately 150 persons directly and indirectly. So this product is mainly for persons in and around the community. We also have persons from neighboring communities who come here to engage, where persons come and do their hustling on the side as well, selling craft items, selling medicinal plants. So Rasta Safari is basically a feeder for the local community. Community of Roaring River was formerly a slave estate, was owned by the Bedford. So we have a lot of rich history, culture, we have a lot of sightseeing activities, caves, rivers, mountains, etc. Roaring River as a product itself different from Rasta Safari. So what we did, we used the Rasta culture to merge with the history of the local community.